Hey, what's going on guys, Tanmay here and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm super excited to do my very first unboxing on this channel. And the unboxing is also very special because it is going to be the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2 camera. So let's begin. Hey, what's going on guys, Tanmay here and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm super excited to do the unboxing of DJI Pocket 2, which is a tiny yet super powerful camera which is focused towards vloggers and cinematographers. So let's begin. So this Pocket 2 is a small portable camera which I just mentioned, but one of its unique feature is that it is mounted physically on a 3-axis gimbal. Yes, the camera module is so tiny that it is fixed on a 3-axis tiny gimbal, which makes the footage that is the video that you shoot very stable. So this is its unique feature. Another unique feature of this camera is that it is portable, it is tiny, and it shoots 4K 60 FPS. Yes, it is focused towards video creators, content creators, vloggers, and cinematographers who are on the go, who don't want to carry heavy, bulky cameras, but they still want to capture amazing, stable footage. So in this video, I'm going to do the overall unboxing. I have bought the DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. So it comes in 2 flavors. It means that it comes with the standalone camera, or it comes with this Creator Combo, which is basically nothing but the entire pocket camera along with multiple accessories, which makes your vlogging and makes your video creation process much more easier and hassle free. And I would highly recommend that. But we'll talk about that as we move ahead. In this video, we're simply going to do the unboxing and I'll show you the entire camera and how it looks like. And we'll talk about a little bit about the features. Okay, so here's the entire DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo package. As you can see, it is pretty compact, kind of heavy. And you can see the 13 different extra accessories that are provided in this box. I have still not opened it. So this is the first time I'm opening it. So let's do the unboxing quickly. So this is my first unboxing, guys. At least on camera, at least on this channel. I hope it goes well. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Okay, so here we have it. Let's open this. How does this open? Okay. Alright. Wow, that smells nice. Okay, so what do we have as the first thing? Okay, so the first thing is the gimbal itself, I suppose. Yes. It comes with a cover. So this is a case cover inside which the gimbal is, I suppose. That is the Osmo Pocket 2. Let's open this. Oh wow. There you have it, guys. Looks pretty good, yeah. So this is the DJI logo. And this is the pocket gimbal camera. Let's keep it aside. Let's see what do we have more apart from the camera. Okay, so this should have those extra added accessories. Okay, how do I open this? Yeah, it's open. Oh, it has a tiny wind muff. So let me just quickly tell you what are the different accessories that this Creator Combo has. So this Pocket 2, that is this entire camera, comes with 2 combinations. One is the standalone Pocket 2 and then one is this Creator Combo. This Creator Combo comes with these extra accessories. So one is this case that you just saw, inside which the entire pocket camera fits properly. Then we have a micro tripod. We have a mini control stick with a joystick which will control the gimbal. We have a tripod mount. We have a USB splitter charging cable. We have a wide angle lens, which is great, which would be very nice for vlogging. And we have a smartphone adapter, both lightning as well as USB. So if you have an iPhone, the lightning cable would work for you. If you have a new Android phone, the USB-C connection would be used for you. We have a do-it-all handle, which is probably one of the most important out of all these things. So this do-it-all handle connects wirelessly to your phone so that you don't have to, physically connect the phone to the pocket, that is to the Pocket 2 camera. So when I say pocket, it means that the camera, okay? Then we have this wireless microphone windscreen and we have a wireless microphone transmitter. So this wind muff that you just saw, let me just show it to you, this one, it goes onto this wireless microphone transmitter, so that if you're out in a windy area, if there is a lot of noise, then this wind muff will help cut that noise. And we have a small wrist strap. Okay, so let's quickly see the other things. Okay, it's difficult to get it out. Okay, so this is the joystick, I suppose. Yeah, so this is the small joystick. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. I'll have some more angles. The next thing is probably the wide angle lens. I know I'm making a mess over here. Yes, this is the wide angle lens. Look how tiny it is. It is almost like size of my thumb, and I have small fingers. So this is a very tiny wide angle lens. Let's put it back inside. I don't want to scratch it. So this is the USB-C connector. This is the iPhone connector. I'm not going to be using it because I have an Android phone, so I'll just keep it to the side. This is a nice strap which you can attach it to the Pocket 2 so that it doesn't fall off from your hand. And this is a nice USB-C charging cable. It's a splitter charging cable. It means that it can charge 2 devices at once, and it has a USB-A port for the input, that is the input charge. Okay, alright, so this is quite a lot of things over here. Let's see what more do we have. Okay, so we have the documentation, I suppose. Yes, a lot of documentation. We don't read documentation, right? Let's keep that to the side for now. Oops, what is this? Oh, okay. So this is the wireless transmitter, which is also a microphone. You can see this is a wireless microphone. This is that microphone. You can also put a lavalier mic over here, and you can clip this to your belt or to your waist and then use this lavalier microphone, or you can directly hook this up to your collar. Even this is a microphone, and this is where this wind muff will attach. Let me just show it to you. So you can see these clips should go over here inside. It's a little hassle to put them. Okay, so they're on, you can see. Now this goes to your collar, and you can wirelessly connect this to your pocket camera, and the way you do that is using this do-it-all handle. Okay, so this do-it-all handle is also a wireless transmitter. It will connect to your pocket camera. We'll just see the pocket camera in a second. This is also a mount which gives us a 1/4 inch screw hole over here, so you can mount this to any other tripod and you can use it. So this is also good. And one last thing that is left is this nice tiny tripod. So it is not looking like a tripod, but if I unfold this, it becomes a tripod, and you can see this is how the tripod looks. You can stand it onto a table or any flat surface, and your pocket camera will stand over here. So now let's remove the pocket camera from the case. It's kinda heavy. It's not lightweight, but it is definitely sturdy. So let me just remove it out. Okay, alright, so there you go. You can see, wow, this is super tiny, guys. This is really tiny. It is secured with these yellow foam things. This is the screen, if you guys can see. So it's so tiny that it is almost not visible, I guess. Let me just remove the protector. Yeah, this is the screen. You guys can see my face in the screen. It's that shiny. This is the video record button. There is one more button, and then this is power button. I'm not gonna power up as of now, but just to show you, this is the do-it-all handle, which would probably go inside like this. I'm not sure how. I will figure it out. Okay, so the bottom part comes out, and now you can attach this do-it-all handle over here. You can see, and once you attach this, the length of the entire device increases. But now this is a wireless transmitter, and now you can wirelessly connect your device to the cell phone, as well as you can wirelessly connect to this wireless microphone. Okay, so the audio quality will immediately improve. Now this does have 4 microphones, onboard microphones. You can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So this is for better stereo sound and good amount of noise cancellation as well as very high quality audio, which has definitely improved from the first version. So there was a Osmo Pocket 1. Now this is DJI Pocket 2. They've removed the Osmo word. And yeah, this is how the entire device looks like. I'll put some more videos and different angles. You can see there is a 1/4 inch hole for the 1/4 inch screw on the tripod. I can screw this up, and now I can set this on any flat surface, and I can shoot different perspectives, and I can shoot motion lapse and time lapse, and there are many other features which I will talk about later on in the full review when we actually use this. But for now, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Okay, so that was the unboxing, and after unboxing, this is how the Pocket 2 camera looks like. I hope it is visible on the screen. If not, I will put some other footage. But this is the case. If I remove it out of the case, it already has the wide angle lens, and you can see it on the camera. So it's super tiny. It's like the size of my hand, and my hand is very small. And I'll quickly just tell you about some of its features, and we'll do a detailed review in upcoming videos, so make sure you have subscribed on this channel. But talking about its features, it is a video first camera. It does take photos, but it shoots up to 4K 60 FPS, which is a very high resolution and also good frame rate, so you can slow it down. So if your timeline is 24 FPS, you can slow it down more than 50%. It also shoots slow-mo at 1080p 120 FPS and 1080p 240 FPS. But at 240 FPS the quality is degraded slightly. We'll talk more about that in the detailed review. It also takes 16 megapixel photos and also 64 megapixel photos. It is not primarily focused on photos. You can take better photos with your high-end smartphones also, be it iPhone or Google Pixel or any other latest phone which you have that is more capable of taking better pictures compared to this one. It does take photos, of course. It has panorama, it has time lapse. It has another feature called motion lapse, which means that it is time lapse in motion. One more thing is it has hyperlapse, which means you are moving, and it is a time lapse. So we'll discuss all these different modes, and we'll see detailed review about them. It has 4 stereo microphones. So one is at the front, 2 at the side, and 1 at the back for better mic reception or better audio quality. And the do-it-all handle which comes in the creator pack enables you to connect this device with your phone wirelessly. Also, this do-it-all handle helps you to connect a mic input over here, so you can directly insert a 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone or any microphone which has a 3.5mm jack. Or you can also connect this device wirelessly with the wireless microphone provided in the creator combo. So let me just show it to you quickly. So this is that wireless microphone that I'm talking about. If it is not in focus, I will put another footage over here. This connects with this device, and then what you can do is you can, clip this on to your t-shirt or shirt or backpack like this. So if you are in a windy area, you are vlogging like this. If you've held this camera a little far and you want to vlog, you want to talk to the camera, this wireless microphone will connect to the device, and the audio will be recorded from over here, the video will be recorded over here, and it will be properly synchronized. So you can literally keep this device somewhere standing, and you can walk a few feet away. We'll check the range later on in the detailed review, but this enables you to get the audio even from a distance, okay? So this will give you a better audio in windy and noisy environments. But otherwise also the microphones on this device are super good. There is a small LCD screen where you can see the entire perspective being caught on the screen, so you can frame your shots, but it is very tiny. Now you can connect this device with your smartphone so that the screen will now be transferred to your smartphone, so you'll see the entire view on your smartphone in a bigger view, and that is much more better, much more convenient. And yeah, this was the very basic overview about this gimbal plus video camera, which is one package which is very small, and this is one of the best devices if you are considering vlogging at a very beginner's level but very serious about vlogging. So this is for those who are getting into YouTube and want a dedicated vlogging camera or dedicated cinematic shooting camera, but they don't want to spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees on expensive DSLRs and that stabilizer and all those things. Okay, so you just want something which is tiny enough, which fits in your pocket, hence the name pocket, and you can easily remove it out and get your shot. Okay, so this will definitely meet more than your expectations, and we'll test it out thoroughly in further videos. So again, hope you've subscribed on this channel to see more videos on this device, and we'll test out individual features. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. This was my very first unboxing on this channel. Let me know in the comments how this video was. I would like to do more tech gadget reviews like this, even more. Let me know in the comments how I did in this video, if I'm missing out on something, if I need to improve on something, and some more suggestions, some more gadgets that you're interested in, which you guys would like me to review, and maybe I can do that in future. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.